What do you do about a foot dragger in divorce? Hi, Raiford Palmer, managing partner, STG Divorce Law in Chicago, author of the best-selling divorce book, I Just Want This Done. Links in bio and description. Okay, here's the story. The person says, this is from our Illinois Divorce Support Network, our private Facebook group, link in bio also to that. Just look up Illinois Divorce Support Network on Google or on Facebook also. So now what? His lawyer fired him, already spent a small fortune to get nowhere and now have to start over. I understand he has 21 days to get new counsel or file an appearance. He won't likely do either. Then what do I do? Background, he filed April 2024, didn't tell me for 3 months. Once I found out in July 24, I hired a lawyer. She's great, but we made no progress. He stonewalled everything, clearly arguing and not listening to his own lawyer. He's unemployed, high wage earner, doing nothing to get employed. I've been a stay-at-home mom, not employed, but looking for something. Not easy. Health challenges aren't helping right now. We're both 60, almost 61. I just need this done, or at least progressing. Well, you need my book, because I Just Want This Done is all about figuring out how to get it done. One of the toughest things to deal with is a foot dragger, especially when they can take advantage of the court process. If they filed the case, they can take their sweet time up to a point. In Cook County, they can go on for a long time because the courts are overloaded. It can be a year, a couple of years, multiple, many, many months and years before you can get a case to a trial and get it concluded. Unfortunately, the only avenue, the only way, the joke, what they say, how do you get through hell? Keep going. Or, when you find yourself in hell, keep going. That's the only solution, is to move forward. So that means spending money and time with your attorney, pushing for discovery to get complete, having your lawyer take a deposition of your soon-to-be ex, and sending out subpoenas to gather the financial information you need to move forward with the case. Now, the problem with somebody at this age is it's harder for older people to get employment. Judges know that. And he's on the edge of retirement age as it is. So alimony or maintenance starts to get tricky in this universe when they get close to retirement age and they're unemployed. Even though he's a high wage earner, he was a high wage earner. And the question's going to be, if he's doing nothing to get employment, that's a problem. But if he's making reasonable efforts and not finding a job, then the court's going to have some sympathy. Now, a person has to do some work. They can't sit there doing nothing. But once they're at retirement age, 64 to 67 or so, if they're not working, you're kind of out of luck. So getting a job is going to be very important for you, because you're not going to be able to rely on this person, certainly for very long, even if you did get a maintenance order, because they could retire somewhere between 64 and 67. Thanks for the question. I wish you all the best.